Hello everyone, my name is G. Nagapal Subramanyam. I am studying EC at VVIT College, Guntur. My roll number is 20BQ180456. Today our topic is about batteries. Batteries. Now we talk about what are batteries. Batteries is a device that stores chemical energy and converts into electrical energy. Battery is the power source consists of one or more electrochemical cell with external connections for powering electrical devices such as flashlights, mobiles and electrical cars. And when a battery is supplying electric power, its positive terminal is the cathode and the negative terminal is the anode. Terminal marked negative is the source of electron that will flow through an external circuit to the positive terminal. Batteries are three types. First one, primary cells are primary batteries. Second one, secondary cells are secondary batteries. And third one, fuel cells are flow batteries. Now we talk about the first one, primary batteries or primary cells. Batteries. A primary cell is a battery or galvanic cell that is designed to be used only once and discharged. These batteries are used only one time in their whole lifetime, and these batteries are not rechargeable for many times. These batteries are used in watches, clocks, flashlights, etc. These are irreversible. These cells reactions are highly irreversible. Examples lithium manganese dioxide and lithium sodium dichloride and etc. Secondary cells are secondary batteries. A secondary cell is a type of electrical battery which can be changed, discharged in a load and recharged many times. These batteries are used so many times in their lifetime and these are rechargeable batteries for every discharge. These are reversible cells and these cell reactions are highly reversible. The products established in these cells are relatively unstable. For example, lithium acid storage cell or nickel cadmium cell or nickel dihydrogen cell. And the third one, fuel cells are fuel batteries. Fuel cell is a kind of electrochemical cells in which the chemical energy of fuel directly converted into electricity. For example, fuel plus oxidant gives rise to oxidant plus product, oxidant plus electricity. That means H2 plus half O2 gives rise to H2O plus electricity. Example H2O2 fuel cell, CH3OHO2 twice fuel cell, etc. And primary cells are primary batteries. Let we talk about the lithium primary battery with solid cathode. We take anode as lithium metal and we take cathode as MnO2 method, manganese dioxide, and electrolyte lithium tetrafluorobromine in propylene carbonate, and the cell reaction at anode is lithium gives rise to lithium plus plus electron minus, and at cathode we get MnO2 plus electron minus gives rise to MnO2 minus, and the overall net reaction is Li plus MnO2 gives rise to LiMnO2 plus 3 volts. Here we get the electricity as 3 volts. The secondary cells or secondary batteries. In these we take nickel cadmium battery or nickel cadmium cell. At anode we take cadmium and at cathode we take nickel with water, and we take the electrolyte 5 moles of KOH aqueous solution. Discharge mechanism or charge mechanism of nickel cadmium battery we get at anode. M plus 2OH minus gives rise to forward backward CD OH twice plus 2 electron volts, and at cathode we get 2 NiOH plus 2 H2O plus 2 electrons, so from gives rise to forward backward 2 NiOH twice plus 2 OH minus. For the overall reaction we get C cadmium plus 2 NiO of OH gives rise to forward backward CdO of OH twice plus 2 NiOH twice plus 1.35 volts. Here we get the electricity as 1.35 volts. In the charging mechanism, the entire anode becomes cathode and the cathode becomes anode, and the net reaction is reversed. For the charging mechanism, the net reaction is CdOH twice plus 2 Ni of OH twice plus charge figures forward and backward CD plus 2 NiO of OH. We talk about the applications of primary cells. These primary cells are like button or coin type of cells are used in watches and calculators. Cylinder like cells are used in cameras and wall clocks. Military and space applications we use primary cells or primary batteries. We use primary cells in neurostimulators, and we use supply fixed voltage for memory production. For secondary cell or secondary battery we use these batteries for automobiles, laboratories, hospitals, and we use in aircrafts, space satellites, power system, and the secondary cells are used in medical instruments and emergency lights. Thanks for watching.